Okay ka na ba, Timon?
Ay, o, di ba? Kanina mo pa sinasabi na paasa.
Ano? Okay ka na ba? Timay!
Timay, dream come true na, ha? Hindi na yun paasa.
Hindi na paasa yun, ha?
For the last 2 days.
Sa inyo, sobra.
Samantala, sa
Best day ever
Ever.
in my entire life. Not just here in the Philippines, but my entire life.
Thank you, Edward.
You believe in
I
her?
saw
You believe
you.
there's no Enrique and it's just me? You know her face the whole time she was...
Marco, ako.
Plato natin.
Sa lahat ng pinagdaanan.
Tapos sa iyo, ko is Snapdog, baby.
Baby daw.
Tsaka sa lahat ng jacket niya, ito yung pinaka-paborito niya.
Sana mas marami.
ng bahay, si Maymay may ikwinento kay Edward.
What's it about me?
Oh,
Kita dito double din.
Oy, ito.
What? Eh, ito.
Oh, don't forget my number. Cellphone number. Eliza's number, yes. Yes. Chocolate!
Sorry, happy birthday. That's yours.
You see the message from Enrique?
Ito na, May.
Listen, this is what he wrote. My, enjoy, but stay sexy. Love you, Enrique.
Oh my God!
Parang super down na siya eh. So, it's really a nice timing para i-lift up siya.
Sarap ba?
Alam mo, worth it yung 5 times na pinakas ko.
Yun nga, di ba? Yun yung... Yun din yun. Kaya rin kinuha ni Kuya yun para maging mas
When you were here, it's not fair. How many times, Edward? When I got to meet Liza, you were ate.
Thank you, my brother. You're my twinny forever.
Uy, sino may gusto ng salad?
I will pay you what you want and everything.
Guys, salad.
Mahal na mahal ko talaga salad. Ayan, nag-bloom na ulit si Ate May and super